Welcome to the Animal Quiz. Think you know animals? Test your knowledge with fun and fascinating questions. Whether you're a wildlife fan or just love quizzes, you're in for a wild ride. Let's begin. Can owls see in daylight? Yes or no? Yes, owls can see in daylight, but their vision is optimized for low light. Do raccoons wash their food? Yes or no? Yes, raccoons are often seen dipping food in water, especially in captivity. Is a hippopotamus a strong swimmer? Yes or no? No, hippos mostly walk or run along the riverbed, not swim. Are penguins warm-blooded? Yes or no? Yes, penguins are birds and are warm-blooded. Are jellyfish considered fish? Yes or no? No, jellyfish are invertebrates, not fish. Can crocodiles climb trees? Yes or no? Yes, some crocodiles can climb low branches of trees. Are all spiders venomous? Yes or no? Yes, most spiders produce venom, though very few are dangerous to humans. Are dolphins classified as fish? Yes or no? No, dolphins are mammals, they breathe air and nurse their young. Are pandas omnivores? Yes or no? Yes, although pandas mainly eat bamboo, they are technically omnivores. Do giraffes have the same number of neck bones as humans? Yes or no? Yes, giraffes have 7 neck vertebrae, just like humans, but much longer. Do snakes have ears? Yes or no? No, snakes sense sound through vibrations, not external ears. Thanks for playing the Animal Quiz. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun quizzes. See you next time.